This video will discuss the procedure to replace a front passenger blade insert on a 2017 Acura MDX using a genuine Honda Acura blade insert, part number 76622SZT-G01. Next, lift up the blade arm and remove the blade assembly. There is a J-hook. The method to remove the blade assembly is to carefully lift up the locking flap. I used a screwdriver covered with a paper towel to prevent the metal of the screwdriver from scratching the blade assembly and damaging it. Then, slide the assembly down until you hear an audible click. Next, gently maneuver the assembly off the J-hook. It should happen rather smoothly. Do not force or break the assembly off the J-hook. If you're trying too hard, then you're likely doing it wrong. Gently move the arm down against the towel, being careful not to allow the blade arm to slam against the windshield. Examine and then potentially clean up the blade assembly. Next, slide the old blade insert out of the assembly by gently pulling on the side with the stopper. There should be a slight resistance and the blade insert will slide out. Remove the new blade and examine it against the old one. There are two corrosion-resistant stainless steel flexors on the old blade which need to be removed and inserted into the new blade. Carefully note there is a side of the rubber blade that has a stopper. Ensure the corrosion-resistant stainless steel flexors are aligned properly with the stopper side. Once the flexors are snugly installed, gently maneuver the blade onto the assembly. Be gentle and ensure that each clip is snugly installed. Check your work. Finally, install the blade assembly onto the J-hook in reverse order of the steps previously performed to remove it. Once the blade assembly is installed, it's generally a good idea to wet the windshield with a garden hose to test your work. However, if you're very experienced or confident, then this step is often skipped. Job is complete. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, liking it, and sharing the video and subscribing to this channel. Thank you.